Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, a fitness bracelet with a large screen, GPS, and at a price of $60. Xiaomi has officially announced the Mi Band 7 Pro physical activity tracker. The device is a cross between a classic fitness bracelet and a smartwatch. The gadget is equipped with a rectangular AMOLED display with a diagonal of 1.64 inches, a resolution of 280 by 456 pixels, and a pixel density of 326 ppi. More than 180 screen design options will be available to users. The equipment includes a receiver for satellite navigation, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Baidu. 117 training modes have been implemented, and thanks to hermetic design 5 ATM, the device can be used during water sports. The bracelet has a heart rate sensor to monitor the rhythm around the clock and a pulse oximeter to measure blood oxygen saturation. In addition, advanced monitoring functions for various sleep phases are mentioned. Responsible for power is a rechargeable battery with a capacity of 235 mAh, the charge of which is enough for 12 days of operation or 6 days in intensive use. The equipment includes an NFC module. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro fitness bracelet can be purchased at an estimated price of $60. Let's have a look at the detailed features of Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Display: full color large screen. For the first time, the Xiaomi Mi Band adopts a full large square screen. With the information display method closer to the mobile phone screens, the text and icons have more free display space, and clicking and sliding are more free and easy to use. In many cases, the Xiaomi Mi Band, the 7 Pro, is a more convenient extension of the phone screen. In the new display space, each functional interface has a new look and the information is displayed more freely, which can be easily seen at a glance. Exquisite, fashionable, and sporty, the changeable style adapts to your daily mood. Hundreds of treasure dials can always be pleasantly surprised. No need to lift your wrist to turn on the screen. You can see the basic information such as time at a glance, and the design language is in the line with the dial, showing your style in a low-key manner. Thanks to the ambient light sensor, this screen understands ambient light and understands the eyes better. No manual operation is required, and every time you raise your wrist, it can light up just right. Strap: metallic luster full of texture. For the first time, the Xiaomi Mi Band has a high bright texture of metal, the classic color and light gold color scheme, which is low-key and more delicate. Using NCVM technology, it is lightweight, gentle to the touch, and more comfortable to wear. 6 classic color schemes, stylish and elegant, low-key and calm, or vibrant and bright, respond to your mood at any time. The color on the wrist can also light up the whole body. The new watch buckle is classic and practical, and the quick-release structure is convenient for you to remove and replace at any time to capture inspiration. Softer and more delicate imitation leather material, the skin-friendly experience is instantly addictive, and the fashionable color contrast design color matching is advanced, comfortable, more escaped, and has unique artistic taste. Fitness: built-in independent GPS module, it can be used in conjunction with mobile phones and can also be used lightly and independently. It supports systems and satellites of GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS. It accurately records every step, and every step is worth it. It also provides 10 running courses of different intensities not only stipulates the course time and heart rate but also vibrates and brightens the screen to supervise you to meet the heart rate and speed requirements, and a person can also run out of training sense to ensure a good exercise effect. 117 sport modes respond to your every passion. Whether you have teammates or not, there will always be a partner who understands you on your wrist, and there is a lot of sports waiting for you to unlock, as many as 14 professional sports modes. Health, all-day heart rate monitoring. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro supports all-day heart rate monitoring, all-day blood oxygen saturation monitoring, and real-time attention to your own health. When the blood oxygen saturation is too low, the watch vibrates and reminds you of your breathing state. Lifestyle, charging speed, voice assistant, and water resistance. A 5-minute charge is enough for 8 hours of sleep tracking. Compared with Xiaomi Mi Band 6, the charging speed has increased by about 40%. Use voice control on the phone to make calls, play music, run, and listen to songs more freely. Mi smart home devices such as TVs and air conditioners are not supported. Support for 580 m waterproof swimming in the swimming pool. You can enjoy the water without taking it off. 580 m waterproof level equivalent to a depth of 50 meters underwater. Support for swimming in pools, shoal swimming, and other water sports in shallow waters, but not suitable for hot showers, saunas, and diving, and should be avoided during water sports. Direct impact of high velocity water. Waterproofing is not permanent and may diminish over time. There are considerable noticeable differences between Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Given the additional capabilities offered with the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, it is not surprising that it is more expensive variant costing about $57 or $60, and in China the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 costs around $37 while the Xiaomi Mi Band costs around €50. Xiaomi hasn't said whether the Mi Band 7 Pro would be sold outside of China, although that is a huge possibility. Do let us know what do you think of the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.